and car keys. Hey y'all, today's video is about a box. Today's video is sponsored by none other than Movo. This is the iVlogger kit from Movo. It is the ultimate tool for any content creator that vlogs on the go and uses their phone as their primary camera. Now, before we open this box, let me show you what my current setup looks like. Don't laugh. So every video I've ever posted on my YouTube channel has been filmed with my iPhone 11, which is what you're looking at right here. So my setup has been the iPhone and this tripod. That's it. So I always have the phone here and I'm sitting there holding like this, and that's how I vlogged for the last 2.5 years. As far as audio, I have a microphone here, has a little windscreen protector there. You have a cord, plug it into your iPhone, and I have an adapter here with the lightning cable on the end to plug it in. I also had a clamp that clamped it onto the tripod, and that's how I filmed for the last 2.5 years, and it worked until the clamp broke. When the clamp broke, instead of me buying a new clamp, I literally just held it like this. And I'm vlogging like this. Pretty sad. If at any time I need to use my hands, then I need to put the tripod down, then the microphone is literally just dangling like this. As you can imagine, that gives me horrible audio, right? Horrible quality audio, which doesn't really work if you're trying to be a successful content creator. So that's why I'm really thankful for today's sponsor, which is Movo. So let's open it up. Oh, first off, amazing case. In a case like this, that's amazing. All right, see what we got. All right, first off, it comes with instructions. See, I'm struggling with this right now. First off, this comes with instructions, and they're very, very extensive instructions. I think it should be a little self-explanatory. You have, in your case, you have, starting off, you have your hand grip, which doubles as a tripod. That's awesome. You have your adjustment piece that goes, so you have this piece that goes on like the picture here, just screws on like that. Now this adjustable also has lock and unlock on the back side, so you can move. That's cool. You can move this around like that, and you can lock it so that it stays where you want it. That's awesome. You also have your phone holder that screws on top. Then you want to adjust. There you go. See, you can adjust it like that. We're going to leave it straight up for now. All right, you have this extension piece here that goes on the top of your tripod, which holds your microphone and your light. Now, one of the things I noticed, my old tripod had this little slit here at the top of it, but the microphone doesn't fit. Actually, nothing fits there for whatever reason. So this fits in perfectly, like so. Then you tighten it down. Doesn't move, and then you can take your microphone and loosen it up. Take your microphone and just slide it in like that. Then you tighten it up. That's not moving. And then you also have your light here. Just slide on the other side. Like so. Boom. Got your nice little camera setup. So these, as I said, this tripod doubles as a hand grip. It does have little ridges on it so that you don't drop it and you're not worried about it slipping out of your hand. That's awesome. All right, up here we have a little zipper compartment, and it holds all your cables. You have a microphone cable here. You have a charger cable here. I'm going to assume that's for your light. You also have a bag of cable as well. See what's in here. All right, this is your microphone cable for your iPhone. This one will plug right into your iPhone with the lightning cable there. Movo stamped on the back there. We also have a Movo sticker that's going to go on our sticker wall in just a second. We also have a card here that says Movo happy ? Oh, not happy. Okay. Definitely happy, y'all. Definitely happy. I'm really already impressed with this setup. So I'm going to go ahead and plug my phone in, and then we'll start using that one instead. All right, this is the iVlogger setup from Movo. Now, one thing I can already say is that it's a lot more comfortable. It feels better. It feels like an actual dedicated vlogger setup, and it feels a lot better than having this big tripod and me holding the microphone with my pinky. So a couple things I want to point out in the manual about the microphone. It says that it's a lightweight supercardioid condenser microphone that allows high quality audio. It also has a low cut filter switch on the back at 100 hertz. It's pretty awesome. Now the other thing I wanted to point out about the light. Let's talk about the light real quick. Now I'm outside, so the lighting is not really a big factor, but as I come inside the garage, all right, this is inside my garage with no light whatsoever. Let's turn on the light for the iVlogger kit. Boom. That's very bright. Now it's an LED light spotlight. It's very, very bright. And it has 3 different settings. This is the lowest setting, that's the next setting, and that's the brightest setting. Very bright, super clear. So if you shoot in areas of low light, now you have a light. Awesome. And it fits right onto your setup, and it's always with you, no issues. And that was a quick unboxing of the iVlogger kit from Movo. Now, if you're a content creator or you're looking to get a better setup or you need a setup like I did, check out Movo. They have awesome products. Now, this one is for iPhones, but they also have products for Android phones as well. Check out their website. Now, as far as the microphone does not need to be charged, but the light does. And they did include a charge cable for your light as well. They got everything covered, which is amazing by Movo. All right, definitely happy with this setup. It is the ultimate kit for any content creator, any vlogger. If you need a new setup, check the link in the description below. They have some awesome products for any content creator. All right, what do you think about this setup? If you like these types of videos, leave a comment below. Give me a like. Once again, Motivation Crew, thanks for watching the video on me and Karki's channel. Stay motivated, and I'll see you next time.